Hey guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. So in this video we are going to understand about eating cabbage during pregnancy. Is it good for you? Is it bad for you? How you should eat it? What should be the quantity of cabbage you should eat, and you should not go beyond that. So let's start the video, friends. First of all, friend, it is very much important that you wash the cabbage properly. First you need to cut it, then you need to wash it properly. Steam it before consumption. If you are going for the raw cabbage in your salad, then definitely just steam it. It is very much essential because it can be prone to listeria bacteria. So to get rid of the listeria, you need to boil it perfectly before you consume it. Also, you do not need to overcook it, because in this way you are going to lose the nutrition value of the cabbage. Friends, cabbage is rich in fiber, so it is very good for the digestion, also for the constipation, because it gives you immense fiber content which relieves you of the problem of constipation. The calorie content in cabbage is very low, so it will help you in managing your weight. You will not increase your weight unnecessarily during pregnancy, which is very much important for your delivery perspective. If you are suffering from gestational diabetes, then cabbage is boon for you because it has got ample of dietary fiber in it. So it manages the blood sugar and reduces the risk of gestational diabetes, that is the diabetes during pregnancy. Cabbage has got immense nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin C, and this helps in improving your immunity. So the problems like cold, cough and viral infections that a pregnant woman is very much prone to, so you can keep all these things at bay if you are eating cabbage in your diet. Friends, cabbage is also very much helpful in anemia, because if you are having the deficiency of iron, then the cabbage is highly rich in iron, so it also reduces the risk of anemia. It improves the quantity of hemoglobin in your blood, and you are rid of the problems of deficiency of iron or anemia. Not only in pregnancy, but cabbage is also very much helpful in fighting cancer, because cabbage has got anti-cancerous agent anthocyanins. So if you are consuming cabbage in your diet or in your salad, then it is very good for you. It helps you fight against cancer as well. During pregnancy, swelling is also a very common problem, and this normally happens due to the retention of water in our body. So cabbage leaves are very much capable of drawing that excess liquid from our body, and so it is very much helpful in reducing the problem of swelling during pregnancy. In case you are suffering from swelling problem, just wrap the leaves of cabbage in the affected area. It will also ease the discomfort. It will reduce the pain and also the swelling. You need to do it 2 or 3 times a day because it absorbs the water, so the leaves will get wet, and once they are wet you need to replace it. So in this way it is very much helpful in problem of edema. Friends, cabbage is highly rich in folic acid, and folic acid, as we know, is the most important thing that is prescribed to you by your doctor as well, because folic acid is very much helpful in the overall development of the baby. It helps in building up the DNA of the fetus, and it is also very much helpful in keeping the problems like neural tube disorders at bay that can happen to the unborn baby in the womb. So friends, there are immense benefits of eating cabbage during pregnancy. However, you need to be cautious of certain things before you consume or eat cabbage during pregnancy. First of all, you need to understand that if you are allergic to cabbage, then you should not eat it during pregnancy. It can bring more damage than good to your pregnancy. Also, as I have mentioned earlier in the starting of my video, that do not consume raw cabbage. Always steam it or cook it properly, and then you should go for it, because it have the listeria. It is prone to listeria in fact, and that can bring a lot of problem to you during pregnancy. Friends, in case you are having thyroid, then you should not eat cabbage at all, because it will retard the absorption of iodine in your body. So friends, these things you need to take care when you are going for the consumption of cabbage during pregnancy. Also, quantity matters a lot. You should not eat cabbage in large amount as well. Per day you should consume 1/8 of a normal size cabbage. This is good for you. In this way you will get all the nutrition value, and if you are not having the problems or you're allergic or you're having thyroid problem, 1/8 cabbage per day is good for you and for the development of the baby in the womb. So friends, this was all about eating cabbage during pregnancy. Hope you have liked the video. In case you like the video, kindly press the like button. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to press the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the upcoming videos on pregnancy. Thank you very much friends for watching this video and understanding the topic. Let's catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.